Hey guys, I just received Tonor PC microphone. So it's a USB based microphone. It's a gaming microphone. It just plug and play. It comes with the tripod stand and pop filter for voice recording and podcasting and blogging, video blogging, and you can use it for streaming as well. So it was came in this Amazon box. So I just got it delivered, and when I open this package, I have this the actual box of this particular item. So there you go. All right, so here is the microphone itself with this cover, and it comes with a 2 years warranty as well. And let me just unbox this and show you the video. So this was exactly inside the package. So you have the warranty card, and then you have the instruction manual, and then you have the mic itself with a little bit of a kind of like a filter already infused. You can remove this, and as you're using pop filter, you don't really need to use both the filters, or else you cannot hear what is being recorded because the noise will be too soft. And then you have the tripod. Tripod is pretty useful because if you're gonna make the stand and listen to you rather than lying it down, one part of the speaker is not gonna be mic is not gonna be used, so it's better if you put it over here. So I hope that this is brand new, and you can see some kind of a some spot over here. I'm not sure what is that, but that looks kind of used. Anyways, let's see the performance of this. So I'm just trying to remove it with one hand. So that's the exact mic. As you can see, it's both these sides. It's a unidirectional mic. So this is a polar pattern is unidirectional. So it is 159 grams. It's pretty light, but it really doesn't matter. I'm going to carry around anywhere. But the tripod is really nice. It's kind of operational. So when you see this box inside, so the tripod was on, connected with the pop filter, and this guy was on top of this mic, and that's all you have it in this package. This pop filter was covered with this plastic cover. I guess this is to avoid unnecessary dust on the pop filter. I guess that may be the reason why it could have been there. All right, thank you so much for watching the unboxing. I will just do a review later once I start using it. Thank you so much. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So I want to start this video for the mic testing. So I'm gonna place the mic in different positions, exactly two positions. One is closer to me, as you're hearing me right now, is the mic without any filter closer to me, and then I will test the same thing little far from me. Now how far is not so far. Okay, so I'm relaxed on the chair, lying back on the chair, on the computer chair, which has this swing back, and the mic is on the table, which is closer to me actually, which means it is in front of the laptop, and my mouse is behind the mic, so which means it's really closer to me. I cannot work on the computer. The second position I'm gonna put this mic is basically a little away from me, not so much away, but it's a bit away where I can work on the laptop and I can speak at the same time, and my mouse is also closer to me actually, which means the mic is behind my mouse at this point of time. Okay, this is the farthest place I can think of. I cannot put the mic in the corner or something because that doesn't make any sense if you're making some videos. Now let me go to the next position right now, which is mic without any filter far away from me. That's where we are right now. It's far away from me, the mic is, and that's the position I want to do. And the mic came with a default filter, so I'm just gonna put this filter on the mic, so you may hear some extra noise. Please bear with me. Yeah. So I have put the default filter which came with the mic, and the mic is still far from me. I've just moved a little bit to put on the mic. I'm turning my face towards the mic right now and turning it away towards the laptop when it's far away. See if you can make any difference in when I'm turning my face and talking to the mic. I'm turning my face and talking to the mic and turning my face and talking to the computer. I'm actually looking at the computer. Now let me pull the mic closer to me with the default filter. Now this is the default filter and it's kind of closer to me. I'm trying to keep my volume in the same so you don't feel any difference over there. So right now the mic is closer to me. Now let's go to the next scenario. The mic is with the default filter already. Now I have to add the pop filter, and the mic is closer to me, still not changed. So I'm adding the pop filter on top of the mic. The pop filter is right now added, and the pop filter is in action right now. So whatever the voice is coming through is from the mic, which has the default and the pop filter on the mic, and it's closer to me. Now I'm just gonna put this mic a little far away from me. Now the mic is a little far away from me, the original position. So now the you can see the voice. Now I'm looking at the mic and speaking right now. Now you can see the voice difference, and now I'm looking at the laptop and speaking to in the mic. So you can see you can sense the voice difference. Now let's go to the next scenario. So we are already there. Sorry. Okay, mic with the pop filter far from me. So now I'm gonna remove the default filter, so you may hear some noise. Just bear with me. Yep, that's done. So right now the default filter is not there. Only filter which was there is the pop filter. Now I'm looking at the mic and talking, and now I'm looking at the laptop and talking. Again at the mic. So this is how the voice is when I'm looking at the mic. Now I'm looking at the laptop. This is with only with the pop filter. Now I'm going to get the pop filter one closer to me. All right, so now the pop filter one is closer to me right now, and you can hear my voice. And now this is like really dangerously close to me. I mean, we won't normally put the mic this front and speak, but I just want to show you what is the difference it makes, or any kind of things we make make sense for you to understand the mics, how it works. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked the mic test which I just did. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel if you can. No pressure on that. Take care. Bye bye.